Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, I will teach you about the Mary Had a Little Lamb song. Let's begin. So, this song starts from the E note. This is the middle C, this is the D note, and this is the E note. The song is starting from the E note. The notes are E, D, C, D, E, 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 and the finger patterns will be 3 2 1 2 3 3 3. So it goes like, and second line goes like D D D E G G, and the finger patterns are 2 2 2 3 5 5. Now we'll play the second line, and the third line is same like the first line. The notes are same. So the notes of the third line are E, D, C, D, E, 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 and the finger patterns are 3 2 1 2 3 3 3. And the last line goes like E, D, D, E, D, C. Finger pattern are 3 2 2 3 2 1. If you play the whole song in a tempo, it sounds like, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.